Shwmada bawb, croeso I Dysgu Cymraeg gyda Teulu, misgwyrth yma. Y dyddiad heddiw yw dydd Mercher 13 Mai. Morning everyone, welcome to Learning Welsh with your family. Today is Wednesday the 13th of May and today we are learning pa liw. What colour? In the foundation phase, starting in nursery, we learn the basic colours, which are coch, red, melyn, yellow, glass, blue, gwyrdd, green.
Oren, orange.
Children will also learn other colours such as porffor, purple, pink, pink, D, black, llwyd, grey, brown, brown.
And gwyn, white.
We start off in nursery asking the question, pa liw, what colour? Pa liw ydy dy tedi. Pa liw ydy dy dolly. Pa liw ydy dy bal. Children in nursery can answer with one word, coch, melyn, glass, but also they can say red apple, aphal, coch. Notice how in Welsh the noun comes first. Aphal, coch, red, apple. As you move into year 1 and year 2, children start to learn the sentences pa liw ydy dy llygaid di? Pa liw ydy dy wallt di? What colour are your eyes? And what colour is your hair? Children respond with mae llygaid glas da fi, mae llygaid gwyrdd da fi. And then we may ask, pa liw ydy dy gwallt di? What colour is your hair? Children respond in the same way. Mae gwallt melyn da fi, mae gwallt brown da fi, and mae gwallt du da fi. Or mae gwallt coch da fi. See if you can describe your eye colour and your hair colour to your family using that phrase. Mae gwallt da fi, mae llygaid da fi. In the resources file for this video, you will find a list of apps and websites that you can go to or download where you can sing lots of different songs about colours. For example, Lliwiau'r Enfys, the rainbow song, or Can Lliwiau Q, Q's colours song. You can find these on YouTube or follow the links in the document. They're great, fun, colourful songs for you to sing. As you move up into year 2, children learn to describe themselves, again saying their hair colour and their eye colour, and also what they're wearing. Dwi'n gwisgo. Next lesson will be all about dwi'n gwisgo. And now we've learnt our colours, it will make it much easier for us to learn dwi'n gwisgo next time. In Key Stage 2, again we extend the phrase by using the third person. So instead of describing yourself, you can describe somebody else. For example, pa liw ydy dy gwallt e? Pa liw ydy dy llygaid hi? What colour is his hair? What colour are her eyes? Why not pick a famous person or someone you know well and write a description of them? If you can't do this on your own independently, have a little look in the resources and there will be some help cards to help you. You could also extend this using another adjective such as curly, straight, short or long. Mae gwallt melyn ar hir da hi. She has long yellow hair. Have a go at the tasks in the Google Classroom this week. There are several tasks you can do for foundation phase and Key Stage 2 respectively. They will be in the folder with the video that you are watching now. If you complete one of the tasks, why not send it to me? I would love to see a video of your family asking each other, pa liw ydy dy gwallt di, pa liw ydy dy llygau di. In Key Stage 2, I would love you to write me a description of your favourite famous person or character in a cartoon using my gwallt da fe, my llygaid da hi. All of the phrases you will need are in the classroom to help you. I'm really looking forward this week to seeing some videos that you can send through. That would be great. If not, write it down. Write me a description. Next week, we will be looking at gwisgo. Dwi'n gwisgo. I am wearing. Practice your colours, and then we can use them next week to help us describe our clothes. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau.